iCreatables has one goal: to help you build the storage shed of your dreams so you can reclaim your garage. Building a 10x10 storage shed is the perfect way to declutter your garage and organize the stuff in your life. We have over 11 shed plans in the 10x10 size. Each one has a unique design to help you build your shed to fit your style. Our website has the world's largest How to Build a Shed library, which includes text and image-based instructions, as well as videos showing how to build a backyard gable shed and lean-to shed design. There is also a free downloadable materials list for each of our 10x10 storage sheds. You can find it at the bottom of the respective plans page on our website. These are some of the popular styles in our 10x10 shed plans library. Visit iCreatables TV YouTube channel and iCreatables.com to see all of our 10x10 shed building plans and resources.